from Magic of Joy, and today I am going to share with you a piece of writing by David Whyte. He's my favorite author. He is so insightful, and he has written something that I think is perfect for this time of year, for Thanksgiving. The title of the piece is Gratitude, and I'm going to read it for you now. So he writes, "Gratitude is not a passive response to something we've been given. Gratitude arises from paying attention, from being awake in the presence of everything that lives within and without and beside us. Gratitude is not necessarily something that is shown after the event. It is the deep a priori state of attention that shows we understand and are equal to the gifted nature of life. Gratitude is the understanding that many millions of things must come together and live together and mesh together and breathe together in order for us to take even one more breath of air, that the underlying gift of life and incarnation as a living, participating human being is a privilege, that we are miraculously part of something rather than nothing. Even if that something is temporarily pain or despair, we inhabit a living world with real faces, real voices, laughter, the color blue, the green of the fields, the freshness of a cold wind, or the tawny hue of a winter landscape. To see the full miraculous essentiality of the color blue is to be grateful with no necessity for a word of thanks. To see fully the beauty of a daughter's face across the table, of a son's outline against the mountains, is to be fully grateful without having to seek a God to thank him. To sit among friends and strangers, hearing many voices, strange opinions, to intuit even stranger inner lives beneath calm surface lives, to inhabit many worlds at once in this world, to be a someone amongst all other someones, and therefore to make a conversation without saying a word, is to deepen our sense of presence and therefore our natural sense of thankfulness, that everything happens both with us and without us, and that we are participants and witness all at once. Thankfulness finds its full measure in generosity of presence, both through participation and witness. We sit at the table as part of every other person's world, while making our own world without will or effort. This is what is extraordinary and gifted. This is the essence of gratefulness, seeing to the heart of privilege. Thanksgiving happens when our sense of presence meets all other presences. Being unappreciative might mean we're simply not paying attention." So that is his piece about gratitude from his book, Consolations, the Solace, Nourishment, and Underlying Meaning of Everyday Words. I highly recommend it. I go to it all the time. It was printed by Many Rivers Press in 2015, and I encourage you to look it up and to obtain it through your favorite source for books. It has been my privilege, and I am grateful to be able to share what I know with you on the Magic of Joy, and wish you the absolutely best of Thanksgivings and a beautiful holiday season. Thanks.